Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll be learning something new. New in the sense that we won't be learning any new method. What we'll be seeing is that some of the conventional methods which we could have used but we don't use. For example, if I ask you to multiply 237 with 5, if you're not smart enough, what you'll do is you'll start with 237, you will multiply 7 with 5, you'll get a carry of 3, you will multiply 5 with 3, 15, you'll add 3 to that, and then again you'll multiply 2 with 5, and then you will end up with answer 1185. Now if you are smart enough, what you can do is this 237 and this 5 I can write it as 10 divided by 2. Now multiplying a number with 10 is hell lot simpler. You can write this as 2370, and then dividing by 2 is also very simple, which you can do mentally. So this multiplication is basically a mental multiplication which you can do mentally without using pen. So that's what we'll be seeing this lecture. We'll see what are the methods which are not related to Vedic mathematics, which are the normal rules of mathematics which you can follow to simplify your calculations. For example, if you are asked to multiply any number with 4, let's say 125, you need to multiply with 4. What you can do is this 4 you can write as 2 into 2. Multiplying with 2 is very simple compared to multiplying with 4. So this one, and then use part-wise multiplication. First multiply 124 with 2. Whatever you get, then multiply that again with 2. So I get 496 as the answer. So what I have done is I have just broken 4 into a product of 2 and 2, and then I have carried normal multiplication. Similarly, if I am asked to multiply a number with 25, as I just said, this 25 I need to break as division of some number with some number, so that I get 25, and my calculation is very simple. So 25, that I can write it as 100 divided by 4. Now 37 into 100, you just need to add 2 zeros and this division with 4. Now again, to make it more simpler, you need to write 4 as 2 into 2. Now first divide this, and then whatever you get, divide that with 2 again. 3700 divided by 2 is 1850. This again divided by 2 is 925. So my answer is 925. So this is all about smart calculations, and if you do smart calculations, you will be able to find the solution mentally. Just see for each of the numbers how we can divide that. 45, we have 55, then 75, then 125. Let's take these 4 cases. 45, if you need to simplify this, you can write this as 90 by 2. Okay. So how you're simplifying this? Let's take 37 into 45. You have got 37 into 90 by 2. Obviously 37, if you multiply by 45 manually, it will take you more time compared to 37 if you multiply by 9, right? So this is how you save your time in this case. 55, what you can do is write 55 as 110 divided by 2. So if I take an example like 37 multiplied by 55, I'll write this as 37 multiplied by 110 divided by 2. Now again, here comes your application of Vedic mathematics. 37 into 11, we have seen that we can find the answer to 37 multiply 11 using Vedic mathematics. The answer will be 7, then add these 2 digits, you will get 10. I'll get a carry of 1, so I'll get 407. So my answer is 4070 divided by 2, so which is 2035. So using proper blend of Vedic mathematics and your smartness, you can find the answer in lesser time compared to conventional approach. 75, you can write this as 300 divided by 4. Now this, what we need to do is just multiply the number which you have been given with 3, add 2 zeros to that, and then divide it by 4. 125, you can write this as 1000 by 4. Okay. Now let's take some more cases. We have taken 4 cases like 45, 55, 75, 125. Let's take more cases like 150, 175, 225 and 275. 150, what you can do is you can write this as 300 divided by 2. Now again, multiplying by 3 is very simple compared to multiply by 15. So this is a quicker method. 175, you can write this as 700 divided by 4. Multiplying by 7 is hell lot simpler than multiplied by 175. 225, you can write this as 900 divided by 4. And 275, you can write this as 1100 divided by 4. So let's take the example of 37 for all the 4 cases. 37 into 300 by 2 into 700 by 4 into 900 by 4. And for the first case, just multiply 37 with 3, which is 111. So answer is 11100 divided by 2. Here multiply 37 with 7, which you can do mentally, I guess. So this is 259 by 4. 37 into 9, you can do it mentally. The better method to finding this is you multiply this with 10, which is 370, and subtract 37 from that to find 37 into 9. So what is 37 into 9? It's 333. So 33300 divided by 4. 37 into 11, use your method of Vedic mathematics. You'll get 40700 divided by 4. Right? That's it. We end our session. We end our discussion on this topic. So what we have learned is in this topic, we haven't learned anything new. We just saw how we can use our previous knowledge to make things simpler, to make things faster. Thank you.